Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to be shopping the spring 2026 fashion trends, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. We're shopping for our fuller skirts. This one's from Free Assembly. It has that elastic waistband, the drawstring zippered pockets, the two-tone with the black, and then also the blue bottom, and then that same fit through the back. They'll be linked down below. Another full skirt. This one's from Scoop. So it has the belt loops, belt buckle, pleated with the pinstripe. Same kind of fit through the back. And they'll be linked down below. Sneak Peeks full skirt from Free Assembly. So it's a twill material. It has the button zip, that bubbled bottom, completely lined, and then the same fit through the back. We have these full skirts from Free Assembly. So these one have the side button pleating, and then the same fit through the back. I can't believe how crazy it is in here today. I think everybody escaped their state and came to Florida, because Walmart on Sunday usually isn't like this. And then they also have the blue and white, and they are, I don't know, we'll have them linked down below. Next trend we're shopping for is colorful outfits. So we saw for a couple of years there was lots of neutrals, black, white, beiges. Now there's lots of color. These are from Free Assembly. It has the light yellow with the blue and white stripe. Relaxed through the wrist with the oversized gold buttons, and then the same fit through the back. Also comes in the navy. So new short sleeve pointel sweaters from Celebrity Pink. So these have the scoop neckline, Henley buttons. They're super soft, stretchy material, fitted through the front and the back. In the light yellow, also comes in pink, and they're $14.50. Denim jackets from Free Assembly has that higher neckline, the two pockets up at the top, two down below. Also that button detail on the wrist. Same fit through the back with that same detailing, and these are $32. So in the red denim are these jeans from Free Assembly. So these are high rise. They look like they're a little bit of a barrel leg. It says cropped barrel, has a little hammer holder, that same detail, and then the pockets on the back. How pretty is that gold hardware on the button? And these are $28. Also new from No Boundaries are these Henley tees. These have that scoop neckline, the side seam, ribbed and stretchy. In the pink, also comes in yellow, and they'll be linked down below. Sneak peek dresses from Free Assembly. They have the thicker strap, that squared neckline, seam detail, fit and flare, oversized poplin skirt with the pockets, and then smocking in the back. And they're $34. Sweatpants from Scoop. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring. They're wide leg with the raw hem. Inside, it's a super soft fleece, and then the same kind of fit through the back. This is the sweatshirt to match. So these have the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, same soft fleece, and then the same kind of fit through the back. Crochet tanks from Jessica Simpson. These have that crew neckline, relaxed fit, the scallop trim. In this yellow, they also have the mauve with the blue, and these are $24.50. Also new crochet dresses from Time and True. So these have the thicker strap, scoop neckline, midi length, has that scoop in the back. It is an open knit. In the green, also comes in the multicolored stripe, and they're $24.98. But then we're also seeing lots of gray, like especially monochromatic gray outfits. This set is from Scoop. It has that crew neckline, puff sleeve, scuba material, relaxed with the banded wrist, and then the same fit through the back. Also comes in the lavender, and then to match they have the barrel leg pants. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring with the side pocket, that true jogger bottom, and then the same fit through the back. Off-the-shoulder sweatshirts from No Boundaries. So these are a French terry. It has that oversized neckline. They are stretchy with the drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with that raw hem, also the ribbed bottom, that same fit through the back. In the gray, also in the pink, and they're $12.98. So new cargo sweatpants to match back to the off-the-shoulder sweatshirt. So the elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, also has the cargo pocket. Same fit through the back in the gray. Also comes in that pink, and they're $12.98. So in the gray are these cardigans from No Boundary. So these are open front. They have the ribbed bottom, drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist. That same fit through the back in the gray. Also in the pink, and they're $14.98. So in the gray are these sweatshirts from Jessica Simpson. These have that plunging V, the rhinestone with the raw hem, drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist. Also has that ribbed bottom. Comes in the gray, also in the black. Hoodie sets from No Boundary. So these have that wrap style front, the drop sleeve, banded wrist, more of a shorter boxy fit. Pants are fold over, fit and flare, and the same fit through the back. In the gray, also comes in the blue star, and the two pieces are $19.97. New longer length fit and flare dresses from Time and True. So they have that crew neckline fit, and then the longer sleeve, and then you could see that panel. Same fit through the back in the gray, also black. They have two stripe options on this side, the navy and then also the coral, and they're $14.98. Next trend we're shopping for are florals. So these are from Celebrity Pink. They have that elastic waistband, drawstring, tiers and flowy all the way down. Same fit through the back in this blue. Also comes in the white, pink, and blue, and they're $18.50. So new mesh dresses from No Boundary. So these have the thin strap, squared neckline, nice maxi length with the squared back. Comes in the blue, purple, also the coral and pink, and they're $14.98. So new puffer jackets. I'm seeing these all over all my social media. Everyone's loving this. So it has these smaller collar, full zip, this little tie detail. How adorable in the little bows. And these are $22.98. It's also quilted through the back. That's what the inside looks like, and then you do like a little bow cross. Also new quilted jackets from Time and True. So these have that high neckline, these really pretty medallion buttons, the two front pockets, relax through the wrists, completely quilted, and these are $29.98. New long sleeve tees from No Boundaries. This has the plunging V, that tie detail, ribbed, fitted through the wrist. And then the same fit through the back in the solid white. Also comes in the yellow floral, and they're $9.98. New dress from Celebrity Pink. So these have that sweetheart neckline, the tie detail, elastic on the wrist, this corset style seaming with the drop tier. Same kind of fit through the back with the smocking. Comes in this floral, also in the ivory, and they all will be linked down below. Dresses from Celebrity Pink. So these have that scoop neckline, the cap sleeve, smocking in the waist, flowy with that drop tier, and then the same through the back in this yellow floral, also in the solid pink, and they're $24.50. So new print in these dresses from Time and True. So these have that elastic around the necklines. You can wear it on or off the shoulder, puff sleeves, smocking in the waist, fit and flare. It's a nice kind of stretchy material with the same fit through the back. So it comes in this blue floral. We saw that a few weeks ago. Now it also comes in the same cut in this poplin, in the burgundy floral, and then also in the blue and white floral, and these are $27.98. Also have this print in a dress option. So it has the high neckline, full button up until the waist point, the little drop tier, belt through the back. Also comes in the brown and navy, and they're $22.98. Above it, the new cardigans from Madden NYC. These have that V neckline. Oh, they're just faux cardigans because they are seam shut, and then they have that fitted wrist in the pink with the black, the ivory with the black, and they're $18.50. Also new from Madden NYC are these lace dresses. So they have that scoop neckline, the cap sleeve, fitted through the body, that same fit through the back, in the beige with the black little tie, and then also black with the pink, and they're $24.50. Next trend we're shopping for is black and white. This is a sneak peek crochet dress from Time and True. Has that high neckline, sleeveless, maxi length with the slit. Same fit through the back with the little tie, and they are $25. Also in the black and white, and along with like the sporty trend this new set from Avia. So it's a windbreaker style jacket, has that pipe detailing, elastic on the wrist, the little toggle on the sides, same fit through the back. Also comes in the beige and white, and then to match they have the pull-on pants. These have an elastic waistband with the drawstring, same fit through the back in those same colors. Also in the black and white are these floral print dresses from Scoop. So it has that little tie detail. It's a flowy fit, has the little gathering on the shoulder and then a button on the wrist. Also comes in that purple floral time intro. So these have that crew neckline, ribbed shoulder, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, oversized fit. Pants have that elastic waistband with the jogger style in the camel. Also comes in the black and the two pieces. In the black and white are these long sleeve tops from Scoop. They have that crew neckline fitted through the wrist, really good length through the front and the back. Also comes in that beige and white. New sweater dress from Scoop. So this one has that mock neckline. It's the same cut as like the Dalmatian. There was like a black and burgundy, that same material. And then the same fit through the back. It says dresses, $26. Right above that, new polka dot top from Madden NYC. This has that plunging V, the lace trim, flutter sleeve, the little pleats at the bottom with the tie in the back. How adorable is this? New little hoodie sets from No Boundaries. So it's a super soft, kind of lightweight sweater material. Has the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, hood in the back. Shorts have that elastic waistband, shorter with the ribbed, very soft material. And the black and white also comes in that white and brown. There's solid pink and solid gray, and the two pieces are $19.97. Have the new plaid ponchos from Time Intro. So this year they have the faux leather hardware with the little buckle, that fringe bottom. Ponchos are on trend for fall 2025 in that black and white. Also comes in the beige, and they're $24.97. Next trend we're shopping for is low rise. These are new flares from No Boundaries. So they have that whiskering pockets. You could see that lower rise. This is a 4. It looks kind of big, but the rise is definitely small. And these are $19.98. New and the low rise are these flares from, or they're boot cut from No Boundaries. So they have that lower button, the smaller zipper, that seam detail, and then the same fit through the back. Also new low-rise wide leg jeans from Celebrity Pink. So these have the front pocket, that seam detailing. It's an oversized fit. These are the 28, and they'll be linked down below. New bow jeans from No Boundaries. So these look like they're mid-rise. They have the pocket, this little bow detail with the slit, that same fit through the back, and these are $19.98. These are from Celebrity Pink. It's a sneak peek item. These are the baggy jean. They look like they're mid-rise. They have the whiskering, some distressing, and then the same kind of loose fit through the back, and these are $20.50. Here are these new skirts from Madden NYC. So they have this embroidered bow detail with the whiskering, and then the pockets on the back. So new wide leg jeans from Madden NYC. These look like they're mid-rise. They have this big front pocket, that stitch detailing, and then one pocket on the back, and these are $20.50. Also from Millie Bobby Brown are these jeans. So these are, they look like they're low rise. That's faded, kind of light blue denim, and these are $26.50. New denim skirts from the Millie Bobby Brown line. So these have the button zip. How cute is that little rhinestone detailing with the whiskering pockets on the back, and these are $18.50. And then they have new denim shorts from Jessica Simpson. So these have the pockets, the rips, the raw hem, pockets on the back in the white. Those are $22.50. And then they have that little navy crochet detail, and these are $24.50. Next trend is going to be the sporty trend. So this is a set from Avia, scuba material in the jacket, that bomber style gathered wrist with the elastic bottom. Comes in the blue. They also comes in black, and then to match they have these trousers. It's like a windbreaker material. They're pull on, they faux fly with the side pocket in the blue, also comes in the black. Also have these new sweat sets from No Boundaries. So these have that V neckline, the little ribbing, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. Seam fit through the back. Inside, it's a soft fleece. In the blue California, they also have pink with Lucky One. Those are $16.98. And then right next to it, they have the matching pull-on pants. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring, that same soft lace with the side pocket, seam detailing with the same fit through the back. In the pink, also comes in the blue, and they're $16.98. Sweat sets, they have this embroidered detailing, soft fleece, ribbed wrist, the little ribbing at the bottom, and then also on the side. Pants are pull-on. They have that ribbed stripe. They're wide leg. In this gray with the 96, they also have pink with the heart, and they're $19.98 for the two pieces. Also sneak peek sets from No Boundaries. These are super soft, stretchy. They have that French terry on the inside, pull-on flare pants. In the gray stripe, they also have that fold-over top. Also in this brown and white stripe, and they're $19.97 for the two pieces. All these sporty new active dresses from Avia. So this one has the scoop neckline, the racer back with the built-in shelf bra, also has the shorts, same fit through the back. This one also comes in the red and white. And then this one's new, so sneak peek. In the green and navy has the crisscross back, built-in shelf bra with the removable pads, also has the shorts with the side pocket. So this one comes in the green and blue, also that beige and black. These are usually $25. And they also have in the racer back that black and white, so that the black and white trend, and then also the green, black and white. They have a new tee option. These have that crew neck on the side, seeing that same kind of perforated detail. Seam fit through the back in the black, white, pink, and lavender, and they're $13. So no track pants from No Boundaries. So these have a lightweight kind of windbreaker material with the lace trim. They also have the slits on the side, and they are going to be $14.98. In that sporty style, we have these ballet flats from No Boundaries. They have the round toe, this little lace-up detail, completely flat, and they're $24.98. The next trend we're shopping for are SLINgBACKs, and these are a sneak peek from No Boundaries. They have that pointed toe, little cutout with the kitten heel. So in the SLINgBACKs are these satin flats from Scoop. So they have that square toe with the SLINgBACK. These are like Mew Mew, look for less. Also have these SLINgBACKs from No Boundaries. So these have the pointed toe, that little buckle detail with the SLINgBACK. Also have the kitten heel, and they're $24.98. Mew Mew, look for less, kitten heels from Madden NYC. These have that pointed toe, the little bow detail, kitten heel with this SLINgBACK. These are $38. They also have them in black. These is like more of a burgundy. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.